Feeling totally overwhelmed? We're about to install a new OS for your brain. Get ready for total focus. Think of your brain like a CPU, not a hard drive. Right now, it's lagging from way too many background tasks.
All right, level 1, the collector protocol. Your mission, get your mind completely empty.
The core principle, your brain is for having ideas, not holding them, so get them all out.
Okay, your first quest, a 15-minute mind sweep. Then, pick one physical and one digital inbox.
Level up. You're at level 2, the triage algorithm. Now we process everything you just captured.
Here's the principle. Don't just list stuff. You've got to make a decision on every single item.
Just ask yourself, is this actionable? If it's a no, you either trash it, incubate it, or file it.
If it is actionable, define the very next physical action. No vague goals, just concrete steps.
And here's a pro tip. If it takes less than 2 minutes, just do it, right now. Time for your next quest. Process 10 items from your sweep and crush anything under 2 minutes.
Level up again. Welcome to level 3, the inventory system. Let's build your command center.
The principle is super simple. Put everything into the right buckets so you can find it later.
So your main buckets are calendar for appointments, a projects list, and your next actions lists.
Quest time. Create your core lists. Then tag 5 of your next actions with a context. Time for a system sync. At level 4, we review everything to keep that system trust high.
The principle, you've got to review your system regularly. That keeps it clean, current, and complete.
The weekly review is literally the master key here. It's your time to get clear and current.
Your quest is simple. Schedule that first weekly review. Today, just do a quick 5-minute scan.
You've made it to the final level. Engage. This is the execution phase, where we actually do things.
With a clean system, you can finally make trusted choices about what to do at any moment.
Final quest, got 15 minutes, pull up a context list and knock one thing out. Also, make a low-energy list.
Congrats, you finished all 5 levels, and you've unlocked some secret loot, a game-changing bonus rule.
It's called the 2-minute rule. It's so powerful, it basically stops small tasks from ever piling up. Your bonus quest, find 5 2-minute tasks and just do them. Then, for the next 24 hours, be a 2-minute ninja. To help you out, we made a 1-page mission briefing PDF for you. The link's in the description. If this leveled up your thinking, smash that like button and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what's your biggest open loop? Next up, we're deconstructing Atomic Habits by James Clear, so subscribe so you don't miss out.